In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create reports in Airtable. If you've been tracking information in Airtable and want a clean, visual way to share insights, you'll love using interfaces to build a simple report. I'll walk you through the process from start to finish, and I'll add helpful tips along the way so your report is both accurate and easy to understand. First, open the Airtable base that holds the data you want to report on. This could be anything from sales to projects, tasks, or clients. Make sure the fields in your base are up to date. Clear names, consistent categories, and accurate dates will make your report far more reliable. At the top of Airtable, click Interfaces. This is the dedicated space for building dashboards and reports. Think of it as your presentation layer, separate from the raw tables where you collect and update data. Next, create a new interface by selecting New Interface. You'll be prompted to set it up from scratch, and that's exactly what we want, so the layout reflects the story you're trying to tell. Choose the dashboard layout. This option is ideal for reports because it lets you arrange charts, number blocks, lists, and tables on one screen. It's flexible, visual, and perfect for giving your audience a quick overview with the ability to drill into details. Now select the table you want to use for the report. If your base has multiple tables, pick the one that contains the primary records you want to summarize, like sales, projects, tasks, or clients. You can always reference linked fields for deeper context, but start with the table that best represents your main data. Add your report elements. Use charts to visualize trends and comparisons, number summaries to highlight key totals and averages, and lists or tables to show granular records. Configure each element with the right fields, choose a meaningful chart type, and give every block a clear title so viewers know exactly what they're looking at. Apply filters to show only the data you need. Narrow the time frame to this month, limit to completed tasks, or focus on active projects. Layer conditions to refine your view, and double-check that date fields and status values are consistent so the filters work as expected. When you're happy with the layout and the data it shows, click Publish. Your Airtable report is now live and ready to use. You can return to the interface at any time to make updates, and simply publish again to reflect the latest changes. Thanks for watching.